Namaskar. Welcome to Srinath Sagar coaching classes. Students, today we discuss the problem set first of math first of 10th standard. Now the first question is question first, choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following questions. त्यातील सब question first, for drawing the graph of 4x plus 5y is equals to 90. If x is equals to 1, what is the value of y? Student, this is MCQ. You have to choose the correct alternative here. Means that out of these 4 alternatives, you have to write only one answer, which is the correct. Now, so simple one, but how to solve it? At the time of examination, you don't write this answer. Directly you have to write its correct alternative. I have to take this. How to solve? Look carefully. Here is, if x is equals to 1 is the one value. All of you know that by using graphical method and simultaneous method, the values of the variable is the solution of that equation. Here is one solution is given. We have to find out the other solution, mean that one. So you have to substitute this value of 1 into this equation. Therefore, answer, put x is equals to 1 in 4x plus 5y is equals to 90. Then 4 into 1 plus 5y is equals to 90. Then 4 1 is 4 plus 5y is equals to 90. Transpose this 4 to this side, we get that 5y is equals to 19 minus 4. And this subtraction is 15. Then 5 goes to denominator, therefore y is equals to 15 upon 5 is equals to how much? 3. Means that the answer of the y is equals to 3. So our correct alternative, you have to write the answer such way that answer of the first question is 3. 3 is the value for corresponding b. So b is equals to how much? 3. So you have to write only answer first. The value is b. This is the correct alternative. Now then we see the next question. For simultaneous equation in x and y, if dx means that determinant of x is 49, determinant of y is minus 63, then and d is equals to also given 7. Then what is the value of x? This x. Now student, means that we have to only find the value of x here. When we observe this question, here is determinant of x, determinant of y and d. Means that we use the Cramer's rule. So that by using Cramer's rule you can solve it. Now I have taken solution. You don't write the solution at the time of examination. Now by Cramer's rule. Now this rule is that if the value of x is equals to the formula for dx upon d and for y dy upon d. But here we have to only find out the value of x, so I have to take only this one. So substitute this value, d determinant of x is equals to 49 upon this d is how much? 7. We can simplify by 7, 7s are 49. So that our answer is 7 and this 7 is the for A. So that answer of the question number 2 is how much? A. Can you understand these two sub questions? Okay, then we take the next question. Okay, then the third sub question. What is the value of this determinant? Now here solution. This is the determinant d is equals to 5 minus 7 3 and minus 4. All of you know that the rule for solving the determinant, first always take this cross product, means that 5 into minus 4 minus this 3 into minus 7. Then 5 4s are minus 20. This is minus minus plus. This is 21. When we take its subtraction, then it becomes plus 1. so that the value of this determinant is plus 1. Here is plus 1 is for the value d. So that the answer of this question third is d, which having the value is 1. Okay, then next MCQ number 4. What is the value of d for the solving simultaneous equation? These two equations we have to solve it. Then you have to find out the value of d of determinant methods. Of the determinant methods. Now here, first I have to take this equation and this transpose to this side. So solution. Equation first is x plus y is equals to 3. Second one is I have to directly write here 3x minus 2y is equals to 4. This minus 4 transpose to this another side, convert as plus 4, because we know that we write, when we solve the determinants methods, then we write the equation in the standard form, which is ax plus by is equals to c. Then value of determinant is equals to, first we take a, b, c and d, means that 1, c is 3 and d is minus 2. We have to find out this value is equals to 1 into minus 2 minus 1 into how much? 3. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 and this is minus 3. The value is minus 5. Now here is minus 5 for C. So that our answer of question number 4 is C. Okay, then look at the last MCQ. If AN is not equals to BM, म्हणजे बघा एक्झाम्पल मध्ये AN आणि BM हे दोन्ही इक्वल नाही, यांचं प्रॉडक्ट इक्वल नाही. स्टुडंट जेव्हा प्रॉडक्ट इक्वल नसतो त्यावेळेस आपल्याला माहिती आहे की त्या इक्वेशनचं सोल्युशन हे फक्त आपल्याला एकच व्हॅल्यू मिळते. म्हणजेच या दोन्ही पण इक्वेशनचं देन सोल्युशन काय मिळणार, देन द गिवन इक्वेशन हॅव ओनली वन solution. So that this is our answer. So answer of question 5 is A. There is only one solution. This is the first question. Let's see the question second. Okay, the next question. Question number 2. Complete the following table to draw the graph of equation 2x minus 6y is equals to 3. Here is table is given. You have to fill in the boxes here. Now the solution. So simple one. Now first you have to substitute the value of x is minus 5 into this equation. So I have to take here first put x is equals to minus 5. Then the equation is 2x minus 6y is equals to 3. We substitute the value of x is minus 5. 2 into minus 5 minus 6y is equals to 3. 2 minus 5 is a minus 10 minus 6y is equals to 3. Transfer this minus 10, we get 6y is equals to 3 plus 10. 3 plus 10 becomes 30, means minus 6y is equals to 30. Then this 6 transpose to this another side, therefore minus y is equals to 13 upon 6. We always use the sign for variable is positive, so convert the sign. We get that y is equals to minus 13 upon 6. This is our first value of the y. So I have to substitute this value of the y in this box, mean that this one is the minus 13 upon 6. So that the order pair is, here is x is minus 5 and y is minus 13 upon 6. This is our box here. Then next one is second. Here is the value of y is given. Put y is equals to 0 into this given equation. Therefore 2x minus 6y is equals to 3. This is the equation. Then substitute the value of y is 0. 2x minus 6 into 0 is equals to 3. 6 into 0 is 0, means that 2x is equals to 3. Therefore x is equals to 3 upon This is the answer. So I have to substitute the value of x is 3 upon 2 and write the order pair is x and y, mean that 3 upon 2 comma 0 is our answer, and we have to also complete the table. Okay, then take next question. Okay student, we take the next question. Question number 3. Solve the given simultaneous equation again by using graphically. Now विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या अगोदरच्या एका प्रॅक्टिस सेट मध्ये आपण ग्राफिकल मेथड पाहिली. सिंपल आहे. मी इथे बोर्डवरती काढले होते, तुम्ही ती ग्राफ पेपरवरती काढणार आहे. इथे पण आता मी या 4 ते 5 एक्झाम्पल पैकी फक्त एक एक्झाम्पल घेतो. जर इतर एक्झाम्पलला काही जर डाऊट असेल तर तुम्ही मला नक्कीच कळवा, मी तो पण सॉल्व करतो. फक्त एकच एक्झाम्पल घेऊया, लेंदी एक्झाम्पल्स आहे. इथे याचा ग्राफ मी बोर्डवरती काढणार आहे. हा ॲक्च्युअल नाही आहे, तुम्ही ॲक्च्युअली ड्रॉ करून घ्या. ओके, नाव वी टेक वन एक्झाम्पल. I have take the question number 3. Of this, sub question is also 3rd. Then the third question is 5x minus 6y plus 30 is equals to 0 and 5x plus 4y minus 20 is equals to 0. Now first I have to find out the table for this one. Student, the solution of this. The equation is 5x minus 6y plus 30 is equals to 0. Now I have to transpose this 5x and this 30 to this side. We get that. Therefore, minus 6y is equals to minus 5x minus 30. Now, then I have to take directly its value of y by using the changing all signs. How to look carefully? I have to here write it y is equals to. Now here, signs are first converted as plus because all signs we have to changing here, mean that plus 6y plus 5x plus 30. Then transpose this 6 to this another side. So I have to directly write here, this is the 5x, this is plus 30 upon this is 6. This is our equation. We use this equation to solve the first table. Now this table. Student, you take any 3 values of the x. By using these 3 values, we can find out the value of y by putting this equation. So here is x, y, here is x and y. Now here we take the first value. Student, तेव्हा सुद्धा मी सांगितलं होतं की जेव्हा अशी उदाहरण सॉल्व करायचे तेव्हा येथे आता जे व्हेरिएबल आहे x, x च्या अशा किमती घ्या तर जेणेकरून याचा क्रिया करून म्हणजे इथे प्रोडक्ट करून याचे ॲडिशन करून ह्या 6 ने त्याला कंप्लीटली भाग जाईल अशी शक्यता निवडा. आणि जेव्हा आन्सर्स आपले येणारे वायचं ते सुद्धा जास्तीत जास्त 7 ते 8 पर्यंत घ्या, कारण आपली जी वही आहे ग्राफ बुक जो आहे त्यावरती 8 पर्यंत जास्तीत जास्त एका साइडला x किंवा y ऍक्सिस वरती बसतात. जर मोठा ग्राफ असेल तर ठीक आहे, पण जर आपल्या ग्राफवरती रेग्युलरली 7 ते 8 पर्यंत व्हॅल्यूज बसतात म्हणून आन्सर याचा तिथपर्यंत येईल असा विचार करा. आणि एखाद्या जर पॉइंट मध्ये आला तर काही अडचण नाही, जर समजा दुसऱ्या संख्या जर शोधता येत नसतील तर. इथे पहिल्यांदा आपण बघितलं जर 5 into जर 0 घेतला तर 0 घेतल्यावरती आपल्याला 30 ला 6 ने डिवाइड होऊ शकतो. सो आय विल टेक द फर्स्ट व्हॅल्यू ॲज 0. देन नेक्स्ट व्हॅल्यू जर आपण फाइंड करण्याचा विचार केला तर बघा आता इथे जर आपण व्हॅल्यू दुसऱ्या कोणत्याही पण सबस्टिट्यूट केल्या पण त्याऐवजी जर बेटर व्हॅल्यू जर -6 जर केली तर -6 into 5 is -30. -30 plus 30 0 0 ला आपण 6 ने डिवाइड करू शकतो म्हणून इथे घेतो मी -6. स्टुडंट, आता तिसरी व्हॅल्यू शोधा. यासाठी आपल्याला बरेच असा प्रयत्न करावा लागेल असं मला वाटतं, कारण आता या दोन व्हॅल्यूच्या व्यतिरिक्त कोणत्याही व्हॅल्यू नाही त्याने किंवा आहे व्हॅल्यू पण ज्याने जे उत्तर येणार आहे ते जास्त मोठे आहे. जर आपण इथे +6 जर घेतलं तर 30 30 plus 30 is 60. 60 divided by 6 जर केलं तर ते आलं 10 आणि 10 आपल्या ग्राफवरती बसणार नाही. म्हणून आपण काय करूया, एखादी डेसिमल पॉइंट मधली संख्या आली तरी चालेल असा विचार करूया, पण ती पण कंप्लीट डिवाइड असेल अशी संख्या घेऊया. समजा इथे आपण जर -3 जर घेतलं तर झालं 15 15 मायनस होती म्हणजे 15/6 आणि 15/6 ला आपण 6 ने डेसिमल पॉइंट मध्ये पण डिव्हिजन करू शकतो. सो आय हॅव टेक हियर -3. असा आधी मी सुरुवातीला विचार करून घेतला आणि यावर आता y ची व्हॅल्यू काढूया आणि ही व्हॅल्यू काढल्यावरती नंतर त्याचा ग्राफ काढण्यासाठी यूज करू. नाउ दिस इज फर्स्ट पुट x is equals to 0, then y is equals to equation 5 into 0 plus 30 upon 6. Direct take here 30 upon 6. 30 upon 6 is equals to 6 5s. So this is 5. So graph is, the pair of the graph is 0 and 5. Then second one is put x is equals to -6. Therefore y is equals to 5 into -6 plus 30 upon 6. या दोघांची क्रिया जर केली तर -30 plus 30 0 upon 6. 0 upon any number is 0. Means that our order is 0 and 6 -6 and 0. Then third one is put x is equals to -3. Therefore y is equals to 5 into -3 plus 30 upon 6. This subtraction becomes 15 upon 6. आता 6 ने आपण डिवाइड करूया. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Carry is 3. We cannot divide, take decimal point. Becomes 30. Then 6 5 is, means that this is 2.5. So that the order pair is -3 and 2.5. Can you understand, student, how to convert this and how to take these values? Okay. Similarly, for this second equation also, I have take this equation here. Now, equation second is 5x plus 4y minus 20 is equals to 0. When we transpose this, directly we get that 4y is equals to minus 5x plus 20. Then divide this 4, we get that y is equals to minus 5x plus 20 upon how much? 4. Here we take one table. For some space I have to take here for drawing the graph. I have to take some space here. Now take any three value of x. Find out the value of y, but here also you have to take the suitable values. We can simplify it, we get the complete numbers. जसा आपण इथे विचार केला असंच आपण इथे पण विचार करणार आहोत. इथे पण अशा व्हॅल्यू घ्या की जेणेकरून वरची क्रिया म्हणजे न्यूमरेटरची क्रिया केल्यावरती आपल्याला डिनॉमिनेटरने कंप्लीटली डिवाइड होईल आणि एखादी संख्या येत असेल, जर मोठी संख्या होत असेल तर डेसिमल मध्ये घेतली तरी चालेल, कारण पॉइंट प्लॉट करताना त्रास होतो. ओके, हियर सपोज यू टेक द value as 0, then we can divide it by 4. So first I will take 0 here. Then जर इथे 4 जर घेतली म्हणजे 4 जर घेतली तर 4 5 ला 20 होतील. 20 मायनस आणि प्लस 0 होतील, त्याने पण डिवाइड होईल म्हणून घेतला मी 4. आता जर -4 जर घेऊन बघितलं तर प्लस 20 20 प्लस 20 40 होईल. 40 ला परत 10 डिवाइड 4 ने डिवाइड केलं तर आन्सर 10 येईल. 10 आपल्या ग्राफवरती बसणार नाही, म्हणून आपण संख्या आता थोडीशी निवडताना डेसिमल मध्ये पण ती पण कंप्लीटली डिवाइड होईल. जशी इथे आपण घेतली तशी आपण घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करू. तर जर समजा आपण इथे तुम्ही कोणती पण संख्या घेऊ शकता, पण इथे जर आपण 2 जर घेतली तर 5 2 10 झाला. 10 20 मधून सबट्रॅक्ट होतील, 10 राहतील. 10 upon 4 ला आपण आन्सर कंप्लीटली न येता डेसिमल पॉइंट मध्ये येऊ शकते, म्हणून इथे घेतो मी 2. आता या सर्व व्हॅल्यू आता इक्वेशन मध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करतो आणि त्यावरून आपण y ची व्हॅल्यू काढतो. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट आय हॅव टू पुट x is equals to 0. Then the equation is, therefore y is equals to -5 into 0 plus 20 upon 4. Therefore y is equals to 0 plus 20 means that 20 upon 4 is equals to how much? 5. So that the first value of y is 5. Order pair is 0 and 5. Okay, then take the second one is put x is equals to 0 is the order pair. Then last one is put x is equals to 2, therefore y is equals to minus 5 into 2 plus 20 upon how much? 4. Therefore y is equals to, this is minus 10 plus 10 becomes 10 upon 4 is equals to, division करा, 4 2s are 8, 2 carry becomes 24, 5 mean that 2.5. Here is order pair is 2 and 2.5. Can you understand this? How to prepare the table? Now then we draw the graph by using this, taking this order pairs. Now all of you know that this is our horizontal line which is called as x-axis denoted by x and x dash. Then this is our vertical line, this is y-axis denoted by y and y dash. This is our origin having ordinate is 0 0. Student, always write scale and the scale is on both axes. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 units. Now student, then I have take here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here is the bigger number is up to only minus 6. So I have take here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. I have to extend this graph. Minus 5, minus 6. This is x dash. Now student, this is x dash. लक्षात घेण्यासाठी केलं. Then here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here is negative number minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 etc. Now then we plot the graph by taking this order pairs. Now first one is for the first graph 0 and 5. 0 and 5 mean that x coordinate is 0 and this is y coordinate, mean that this point lies on the y axis. So that 0 and 5 mean that here this is point I have to write here order pair is 0 and 5. Now the next one is minus 6 and 0. Minus 6 is the x coordinate, 0 is y coordinate, mean that this point lies on the x axis, mean that negative x axis. So here I have to take this point, this having coordinate is minus 6 and 0. Now then minus 3 and 2.5. Here is minus and plus sign. Minus plus lies in second quadrant, so that minus 3 first and then 2.5. Here is minus 3 and this is 2.5. So I have to take here minus 3 and 2.5. Minus 3 and 2.5. Student, join by using the scale, we get that the straight line and this line is passes this all of these 3 points here. So also write the equation of this line. Suppose that the given equation is 5x minus 6y plus 30 is equals to 0. This is our first graph of the line 5x minus 6y plus 30. Then we draw this graph by taking this order pairs. Now 0 and 5. Student, this is the common point, mean that this is 0 and 5. Also write here. Then second one is 4 and 0. 4 and 0 mean that this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. So that the point lies on the positive x axis. So I have to write here this point is 4 and 0. Then here is 2 and 2.5, both having positive sign, mean that lies in the first quadrant. So first I have taken here x coordinate 2 and here is also 2.5. This is the point of intersection 2 and 2.5. Then join by using the scale. Accurately join करा. 5x plus 4y is equals minus 20 is equals to 0. Now student, always the right answer of the given solution, given equations by using the graph table, because we have to solve this example by using graphical. Now here is, these two lines are intersecting one point and this point is 0 and 5. Means this is the values of x and y which is satisfy the both equations. So that the answer, I have to write here, answer is the value of x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 5 is the solution of given example, given simultaneous equations. I hope you can understand this graphical method. Student, जर काही डाऊट असेल या ग्राफ साठी तर नक्कीच मला कळवा, मी त्याचे आन्सर्स पाठवतो. ओके, थँक यू व्हेरी मच. ओके, लेट्स डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Now the question 4 is, find the values of each of the following determinants. म्हणजे इथे तीन सब क्वेश्चन दिले, याची किंमत आपल्याला काढायची. सिंपल क्वेश्चन आहे, एक मार्कच क्वेश्चन आहे. Now how to find out the solution of it? First question. Here is A, B, C and D. We know the rule to find out the value of the determinants. Now first I have to take the D. Determinant is equals to 4, 2, 3, 7. Now we can find out the values here. First take cross product A and D, mean that 4 into 7 minus B into C, 3 into 2, mean that 4 7 are 20 minus how much? 6. Therefore D is equals to 22. Therefore answer in full sentence, the value of the determinant is equals to how much? 22. Can you understand this? So simple. Then the next, second, the determinant is 5 minus 3 minus 2 1. Now we can find the value. D is equals to 5 into 1 minus 2 into minus 3. Student, 5 ones are 5. Now here look carefully, minus minus plus. Again plus minus is minus. 3 2s are 6 and the subtraction becomes minus 1 because here 6 is bigger than 5 having minus 1. Therefore the value of D is minus 1. Our answer is D, determinant is equals to how much? Minus 1. Then third sub question, also its solution. The determinant is 3 1 minus 1 and 4. We have to find out its value by using the rule of the determinants. Now first we can find out the product of 3 and 4. Then minus 1 into 1. 3 4s are how much? 12. Minus plus 1 1s are 1, mean that plus 1. Addition becomes how much? 30. Therefore the answer in full sentence, the value of the determinant is equals to 30. This is so simple example. Today we have to stop up to the question number 4. Then we see the next questions in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.